What's poppin' MV Squad? So, right now, as you can see, I hit 100,000 subscribers, you guys. Thank you. 100,000 subscribers. I have the plaque, as you can see up there also, and I do have $500 right there. I have $500, and right there I have my vlogging camera. Why is it right there? It should be right here, facing that. Then right here I have my seat. Right here is supposed to be a library, but right now I'm gonna get it figured out. But yeah, guys, this and everything. I'm gonna make my room bigger, and I still have this, but I'm saving up. Y'all know. Next episode I'm gonna have $1,000. So yeah, guys, by next episode I'm gonna have $1,000. So please like, subscribe, and comment for that. And yeah, guys, everybody go follow all my friends on here. Which are these people? I'm not online right now, but go follow my friends. All these people right here. Alright. No. But tomorrow I am going to have a thing. Alright. Let's get this all settled. Oh, did you hear that? These people, I want him to stay like right here. But he's a little kid, so I thought he was a grown-up like me. Y'all know I have 100,000 subscribers. This delete this bro street. It's every day, bro. What that Disney Channel flow? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, should I expand it for 50? Nah. Extend. Bro, I extended it all the way before. And I got in. I want to get this. Should I just get it? F it. I'm just getting it, bruh. I can't help it anymore. So I'm getting this, guys. I can't help this. So which one? Either one of these need to be. Either this one too, but that's just 130. That was $15 yesterday's video, but I didn't upload yesterday. So I am going to buy this 5, 4, 3, and 2, 1, and 0. 106. I had $500 now. Do you see me? I'm at 160 freaking dollars. What am I doing with my life? No, just kidding. But guys, and then after I'm gonna get this chair. When I get the money, I'm gonna get this chair actually. And I'm like hella dope. And after that chair, I'm gonna get this, which is $300 also. And after that, I'm gonna get my mouse, my keyboard, the same thing. Super nice, guys. So yeah, guys. Comment down below which one should I get at first. But yeah, guys. This is so dope, guys. I just want to show you guys this, and also I did hit 100,000 on here, so that's why my plaque is right there. Yo, that's so sick. They give you 1 million, 50 million, and also the diamond. So that's super cool. Flippin' sick, guys. Flippin'. The way I said it, flipping. Yo, guys, this is gonna be epic. So I'm gonna put this right there, and put this. I think there you go. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh man, I'm gonna put my plaque like right here behind. You know, and then when I get 1 million, right there. 100,000, bro. 100,000. They can all see. So they can all see, you know. And then you guys, and then I'm going to go to my storage. This. No. And oh my god. I forgot how to play this game right there. And I'm gonna put it a little bit from the side. Right there. And then over here I'm gonna put something else. I do not know yet what I'm gonna put yet, but I think I'm gonna put a door. Where is it? Right here. Entering to the next room, should I? Tell me if that looks good. I want a door, but like, I feel like it's just gonna be in the way if I do put a door. So probably put it right here. Y'all think right there? If not, I'll probably extend it. I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna extend it then. Later on, I'm gonna extend my room, and yeah. But right now, I'm gonna put this down right over here. Then I'll put this down right over here. Pizza. Who can't miss out on pizza, bruh? You just can't miss out on pizza when you're doing this. When you're at home. Ain't nobody gonna miss out on pizza. This is where I do my story time and everything, y'all know. I just put it over a little bit. And then I'm gonna put Pro Street like right here. Not like right up here, y'all. Yeah, right there. Nah. You guys are gonna like what? I'm actually gonna delete this, put my green screen right there. Another background. I'm gonna put green screen. This one. Yes. Right there. Probably like right there. Good. Check. Where's that one camera? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right in a bit. And then I need to hurry up because I'm leaving. Not even a couple minutes, like right now I'm leaving. But this is gonna be alright. Him. And then 2's gonna be right here. And then yeah, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers, and peace.